Amelia. Today we're going to do a page in our book. But before that, I'm going to tell you how I made this. So, you see these wheels, Dad? Dad, you're being kind of... Dad, are you showing me?
Yes.
Okay. Dad. Okay, so the wheel, you see, it has 2 layers. Because if one falls off, there'll be another one. And also, for it to hold up the car.
What happened to the old wheel?
It fell off. And, but it actually works pretty good. See? It can go faster. I'm not going to go too fast with it because we're on the table. It can't fall off. So, and remember last time on this book, we did our name right here. Today, we're going to go to page 4. Page 4 is this rainbow swirly. You can do whatever colors you want. This time, I'm going to do different colors. So, we're going to have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers of colors. 5 layers of colors. Okay, so that's what we're going to be making today. My first color is going to be, well, I can tell you this. Well, before we start. So, you see, I did some of the same colors, but they're different types of them. But you can't do the same colors. Like, if I use 2 golds, I can't do that. I can do a different type of gold, but I can't use the same one. Okay, so I'm going to use gold. So that's my first swirly. Put that all the way in. And then you can get a blue. I'm going to get a blue one. Dad, stop showing Mama.
Not.
Dad, just ignore that, okay?
Please.
Mm-hmm. Kissy. Okay, and I'm going to use like this pinkish color. It's kind of sparkly pinkish color. I don't know what color it really is, but it looks pretty. Okay, so I have 3 colors, and I need 2 more. I can't do that. Lewie.
Amelia's doing her project first.
I'm going to do this brownish reddish for my 4th one. Just ignore my brother. He's being kind of naughty today. And the last color I'm going to use is pink. Why? Because I don't hear it. Because, Dad, it's not done. Just ignore that.
It's really nice, Amelia. Keep it up.
Just ignore my dad showing Mom and Lewie crying. Okay, there we go. But always remember to put your name in the corner. Doesn't matter what color it is. Mom, what's the date? Mom.
Alexa, what's the date?
That
Saturday.
Saturday?
Mm-hmm.
What is the date? 4 or something?
March 28th.
3/28.
3, 8, 20.
Good job. Show us, Amelia. Pick it up.
You can do whatever date it is. That's what it is.
A nice swirl.
Yeah, so you can do whatever colors you want in your swirl. It doesn't have to look really good because you see I messed up on the last color a little.
Oh. Okay.